I'm Jessica Stanley. I'm a researcher in e-textiles at Nottingham-Trent University in the UK, which means I try and figure out how to put electronic devices into clothing. But I'm in Ljubljana to visit Rog Lab as an ambassador of the Shemakes project, which is supporting women in the textile industry. So we ran an e-textiles workshop with some of the team here, which was nice to share my knowledge and see how other people use the tools I use. And I've also been able to take part in other activities here, which has been nice to see, be in a creative environment and learn some new things as well. Yeah, I've had the opportunity to be present for a workshop in biomaterials with Lucrezia Strano, who did the Fabric Academy, which is a course I did too, and Urosh Novak, who's a chemical engineer, and that's quite different from what I do, but I'm hoping to incorporate biomaterials in my own research, hopefully, to replace some of the plastics I use, so it's nice to learn about that and to meet students from here as well.